Munyenyezi Beatrice appeared in court clad in a white and green attire with her lawyers, Gatera Gashabana and Buhuru Pierre Celesti, who began by pointing out obstacles to their client's arrest, saying it is illegal, basing on the fact that there were no documents showing how she was arrested and sent to Rwanda in her file. In this regard, the prosecution has shown that the allegations made by Munyenyezi's lawyers as an obstacle are unfounded because everything was done digitally. Munyenyezi's lawyers also told the court that she was convicted and sentenced to all the crimes she is suspected of in a New Hampshire court in the United States on 21st February 2013, and therefore should not be tried again under international conventions. The prosecution pointed out what Munyenyezi is being charged with is in no relation to the ones she was tried within the United States, because then she pleaded guilty to lying to immigration officials. The 7 crimes Munyenyezi is accused of, according to the prosecution, are murder as a genocide crime, conspiracy to commit genocide, planning of the genocide, complicity in genocide, direct incitement to commit genocide, extermination, and complicity in rape. She committed these crimes in what used to be Ngoma commune in the former Butare prefecture, currently in Huye district of the southern province. The prosecution told the court Munyenyezi put up roadblocks at what was known as Mukoni in Butare, Falcon Hotel, and the University of Rwanda during the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi. It was at these roadblocks that Munyenyezi advocated for the killing of the Tutsis. Women and girls were first raped in the basement of Paulina Nyirama Suhuko Hotel before they were killed in the forest around IRST Research Center, as well as near the Kares Psychiatric Hospital. The prosecution stressed that eyewitnesses testified that Munyenyezi was wearing a military shirt and had a pistol, and that she was also seen shooting a nun living in Tumba and killing her on the spot. Munyenyezi Beatrice pleaded not guilty to all the charges. She said she arrived in Butare in July 1993 when she was pregnant and gave birth in September that year. She said she enrolled in Sefotech High School between January and February 1994, that she had missed out on when she got married to Asen Sharom Nahobari. Munyenyezi says she was pregnant again when the genocide began and that she had twins at home. She said her second pregnancy was hard on her and that putting up roadblocks would not have been possible, and that perhaps the witnesses might have confused her with someone else. Her lawyers told the court that some of the witnesses presented by the prosecution had previously proved unreliable during trials held in Arusha, Tanzania, and so their testimonies should not be considered true. They added that the prosecution should have investigated what they said, that Munyenyezi was studying at the university, yet she was still in high school. The court proceedings will resume again next Monday on the 10th of May.